Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the City of English. This is Alex, your English learning partner. Let me ask you something. Have you ever studied English for years, but still felt nervous when speaking? Maybe you know grammar. Maybe you understand movies. Maybe you can read books. But when it's time to speak, your mind becomes blank. Words disappear. Confidence drops. If this sounds familiar, don't worry, because today I'm going to share one of the most powerful secrets to improving your English conversation skills. And that secret is simple: repetition. Yes, not talent, not intelligence, not expensive courses, just repetition. Today we will explore why repetition works, how repetition builds confidence, real-life conversation practice, daily routines you can follow, mistakes to avoid, and practical exercises. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to improve your speaking skills faster than ever before. So, stay with me. Let's begin. Many learners think their problem is vocabulary. Some think it's grammar. But the real problem is something else. The real problem is lack of speaking repetition. Think about how children learn language. A child says, "Mom, water," again, and again, and again. Nobody teaches them grammar first. Nobody gives them vocabulary lists. They learn through repetition. Your brain works the same way, even as an adult. But many English learners only read, listen, watch videos. They don't repeat enough. Speaking is a muscle skill, just like going to the gym. You cannot build muscles by watching exercise videos. You must practice. You must repeat. You must speak. And that is exactly what we are going to learn today. Let's understand something important. Your brain creates connections called neural pathways. Every time you repeat a sentence, those pathways become stronger. The first time you say something, it feels difficult. The 10th time, easier. The 50th time, natural. The 100th time, automatic. This is why native speakers speak effortlessly. Not because they are smarter, but because they have repeated English thousands of times since childhood. So your goal is simple. Create repetition. Daily repetition. Consistent repetition. Smart repetition. And you will see improvement faster than you imagine. Many students tell me, "Alex, I understand English, but I feel shy." Confidence is not magic. Confidence is familiarity. When your brain hears something many times, it feels safe. When you say something many times, fear disappears. For example, if you repeat this sentence 50 times, "Hi, how are you doing today?" Soon you will say it without thinking. Confidence grows from repetition, not from motivation videos, not from positive thinking, from practice. Always remember, confidence is a result, not a starting point. Let me share a real story. One of my students moved to the United States. He knew grammar well, but he couldn't speak comfortably. At restaurants, he felt nervous. At work, he stayed quiet. So we started a simple method. Every day, he repeated common conversations: ordering food, greeting coworkers, small talk, phone conversations. He practiced the same dialogues again and again. After 3 months, something changed. He told me, "Alex, I don't feel scared anymore. Words just come out." What changed? Not his intelligence, not his vocabulary, just repetition. Now I will teach you a powerful technique. I call it the 3R method. Step 1. Read. Read the sentence slowly. Example, "I'd like a cup of coffee, please." Step 2. Repeat. Repeat it out loud 5 times. Focus on pronunciation. Step 3. Role play. Imagine a real situation. You're in a cafe. You're ordering coffee. Say it naturally. This method trains your brain for real life. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. "Hi, good morning. I'd like a coffee, please." Can I also get a sandwich? Thank you very much. Excellent. Do this daily, you will improve quickly. Let's do a short conversation repetition practice. I will speak, then you repeat. Ready? Alex. Hello, how are you today? You. Hello, how are you today? Alex. I'm doing great. How about you? You. I'm doing great. How about you? Alex. What did you do yesterday? You. What did you do yesterday? Alex. I went to work and watched the movie. You. I went to work and watched the movie. Alex. That sounds nice. You. That sounds nice. Perfect. This is how repetition builds fluency. Now let's talk about mistakes. Mistake number 1. Trying to learn too many new sentences every day. Better strategy, repeat fewer sentences many times. Mistake number 2. Practicing silently. Speaking in your head does not build speaking skill. You must speak out loud. Mistake number 3. Paralyzed by grammar. Fluency comes first. Accuracy comes later. Mistake number 4. Fear of mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. Even native speakers make mistakes. So relax. Speak. Repeat. Improve. Many learners ask, how many times should I repeat? Here's a simple rule. Repeat until it feels easy. Usually, 5 times is familiar. 10 times is comfortable. 20 times is natural. 50 times is automatic. Your goal is automatic speech. When words come without thinking, that is fluency. Consistency is more important than time. Even 15 minutes daily can change your speaking ability. Here's a simple routine. Morning, 5 minutes. Repeat greetings. Afternoon, 5 minutes. Repeat daily sentences. Evening, 5 minutes. Practice conversation out loud. Small effort, big results. Remember this. You are not bad at English, you are under-practiced. Language learning is not about talent. It's about exposure and repetition. If you repeat daily for 90 days, your speaking will change. I promise. One of the most powerful repetition methods used by language experts is called shadowing. Shadowing means listening and repeating at the same time. You don't wait, you copy immediately. Just like a shadow follows your body. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Play a short English sentence. Step 2. Repeat instantly. Step 3. Copy pronunciation, rhythm, and emotion. Let's try it together. Listen. I'm really excited about this opportunity. Now repeat. Again. I'm really excited about this opportunity. Very good. Shadowing trains pronunciation, speed, confidence, listening ability. Professional interpreters use this technique. You can use it too. Practice 10 minutes daily. Your speaking will transform. Now let's practice some natural American-style conversations. Repeat after me. Situation. Meeting someone new. Hey, nice to meet you. Hey, nice to meet you. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm originally from Chicago. I'm originally from Chicago. That's awesome. That's awesome. What do you do for work? What do you do for work? Great job. Remember, repetition creates comfort. Situation. At a coffee shop. Hi, can I get a latte? Hi, can I get a latte? Sure. Anything else? Sure. Anything else? That's all, thank you. That's all, thank you. Your total is $5. Your total is $5. Perfect. These are real-life conversations Americans use daily. Let's talk about something interesting. When you repeat sentences many times, your brain starts predicting language. Instead of thinking word by word, you speak in chunks. For example, instead of thinking, I want to go, you automatically say, I want to go. This is called automaticity. Native speakers use automatic speech, and repetition is how you achieve it. So never feel embarrassed repeating simple sentences. Simple repetition builds complex fluency. Many learners say, Alex, I don't have anyone to practice with. That's okay. You can practice alone. Here are powerful solo techniques. Technique 1, mirror practice. Stand in front of a mirror, speak sentences, watch your mouth, observe facial expressions. This improves confidence quickly. Technique 2 is self-talking. Describe your day in English. Example, I'm making breakfast. I'm going to work. I feel tired today. This builds natural thinking in English. Technique 3 is recording yourself. Record your voice, listen again, notice pronunciation, improve. Professional speakers do this. You can do. Fear is the biggest enemy of fluency, but here is the truth. Nobody cares about your mistakes as much as you think. People care about communication, not perfection. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner. Every confident speaker made mistakes. So instead of saying, I'm scared to speak, say, I'm practicing to improve. Change your mindset. Fear disappears with repetition. Now I will give you a powerful challenge. If you follow this for 30 days, your speaking confidence will change. Week 1, repeat greetings and daily phrases, 10 minutes per day. Week 2, practice conversations, 15 minutes per day. Week 3, shadow English videos, 20 minutes per day. Week 4, speak freely about your life. Record yourself daily, 30 minutes per day. Consistency is the secret, not perfection. If you want faster improvement, use emotional repetition. Speak with feeling, not like a robot. Example, I'm so happy to see you. I can't believe this. Emotion improves memory. Your brain remembers emotional language faster. Actors use this technique. You can use it too. Fluent speakers are not special. They are consistent. They repeat daily. They make mistakes. They improve. Your journey is the same. If you practice regularly, fluency is inevitable. Not possible. Inevitable. Let's do one final repetition session. Repeat after me. I am improving every day. I am becoming more confident. I enjoy speaking English. Mistakes help me grow. I can do this. Excellent. Believe these words. Your brain listens to what you say. Remember, repetition is not boring. Repetition is power. Repetition is transformation. Small daily practice creates big life change. English can open doors, jobs, friendships, travel, opportunities, and your journey starts with simple repetition. This is Alex from the City of English. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, share with a friend, and comment below. How many minutes will you practice today? I believe in you. Keep practicing, keep repeating, and I will see you in the next video.